Hey there, fellow Americans. Breaking news that's shaking up the financial world right now. The IRS has just announced a game-changing stimulus increase that could put an extra $4,800 in your pocket every single month. Yes, you heard that right, $4,800 monthly. If you're a senior citizen, you'll want to pay extra close attention because this could be life-changing news for you. Before we dive deep into these exciting details, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on crucial financial updates like this one. Now, you might be wondering, is this too good to be true? How is this even possible in today's economic climate? Well, let me break it down for you. The Internal Revenue Service has just unveiled a groundbreaking stimulus package specifically targeting senior citizens, aiming to provide substantial financial relief during these challenging economic times. This isn't your typical stimulus check, this is a monthly recurring payment designed to help seniors cope with rising inflation and mounting healthcare costs. Think about it, when was the last time you heard about a stimulus package this significant? The answer is probably never, because this is unprecedented in American history. The program has been carefully crafted to address the unique financial challenges faced by our senior population, particularly those living on fixed incomes. But here's the burning question: do you qualify for this stimulus increase? And if you do, what steps do you need to take to ensure you receive every penny you're entitled to? Let's talk about eligibility first. If you're a senior citizen aged 65 or older, receiving Social Security benefits, and have an annual income below certain thresholds, you could be eligible for this monthly stimulus increase. The IRS has structured this program to prioritize those who need it most, with special consideration for seniors who have dependent family members or face significant medical expenses. But don't worry if you're not sure about your eligibility, I'm going to walk you through every single detail. One of the most crucial aspects of this stimulus increase is its timing. The IRS has announced that these payments will begin rolling out as early as next month, which means you need to act fast to ensure you're in the system. Have you checked your bank account recently? Because if you're already receiving direct deposits from the government, you might be automatically enrolled in this program. However, there are specific steps you need to take to verify your enrollment and maximize your benefits. Now, let's address something that's probably on your mind: why $4,800? This specific amount wasn't chosen randomly. The IRS carefully calculated this figure based on several factors, including current inflation rates, average healthcare costs for seniors, and the general cost of living across different regions of the country. What's even more interesting is that this amount could potentially increase based on future economic conditions. Can you imagine the impact this could have on your monthly budget? But here's where things get really interesting: this stimulus increase comes with additional benefits that many people don't know about. For instance, did you know that qualifying seniors might also be eligible for supplemental healthcare coverage and prescription drug assistance programs? These additional benefits could potentially save you thousands more on top of the monthly stimulus payment. The question is, are you taking advantage of all these benefits? Speaking of healthcare, one of the most significant aspects of this stimulus package is its connection to Medicare benefits. The IRS has worked closely with the Social Security Administration and Medicare to ensure that seniors receiving this stimulus increase won't see any reduction in their existing benefits. In fact, in many cases, this additional income won't count against income limits for other assistance programs. Isn't it refreshing to see a government program that actually works in harmony with existing benefits? Let's talk about the application process, because this is where many people get confused. The good news is that the IRS has streamlined the entire procedure to make it as senior-friendly as possible. No complicated forms to fill out, no lengthy waiting periods, and best of all, no hidden fees or charges. But there are some critical deadlines you need to be aware of. Have you marked your calendar for these important dates? One aspect that's particularly important to understand is how this stimulus increase might affect your tax situation. Many seniors worry that receiving additional income could push them into a higher tax bracket or affect their Social Security benefits. Here's the fantastic news: the IRS has specifically structured this stimulus increase to be tax efficient. In most cases, these payments won't be considered taxable income. Doesn't that sound like a win-win situation? Now, let's discuss something that many financial advisors are talking about: the potential long-term impact of this stimulus increase. We're not just looking at immediate relief. We're talking about a program that could fundamentally change how seniors manage their retirement years. Have you considered how an extra $4,800 monthly could transform your retirement planning? Think about the possibilities, from better healthcare coverage to improved living conditions, or even the ability to help family members in need. But here's a critical point that you need to understand: this stimulus increase isn't just about the money. It's about providing seniors with financial security and peace of mind during their retirement years. The program includes financial counseling services and resources to help seniors make the most of these additional funds. When was the last time you received professional financial advice tailored specifically to your situation? Let's address some common concerns that seniors have been raising. Many wonder if accepting this stimulus increase will affect their eligibility for other assistance programs like food stamps or housing assistance. Others are concerned about the application process and whether they'll need help from family members to complete it. These are valid concerns, and I'm going to address each one of them in detail. One particularly interesting aspect of this stimulus program is its flexibility. The IRS has built-in provisions for various life situations and circumstances. For example, did you know that seniors who are still working part-time jobs can still qualify? Or that there are special considerations for veterans and their spouses? The key is understanding how these different scenarios apply to your specific situation. Now, let's talk about something that's causing quite a buzz in financial circles: the potential for this stimulus increase to be extended beyond its initial term. While the current program is scheduled for a specific duration, there's already discussion about making it a permanent feature of senior benefits. Can you imagine the impact this could have on retirement planning for current and future seniors? Here's another crucial aspect that you need to know about: the verification process. The IRS has implemented several security measures to protect seniors from fraud and ensure that payments reach the right people. This includes a new verification system that's both secure and user-friendly. Have you updated your contact information with the IRS recently? Because this could be crucial for receiving your payments without delay. Let's discuss the timeline for these payments. Once you're verified in the system, how long does it take to receive your first payment? The IRS has promised an expedited process, with many seniors receiving their first payment within weeks of verification. But there are some important steps you need to take to ensure everything goes smoothly. Are you prepared to take action as soon as the system opens? One of the most exciting aspects of this stimulus increase is its potential to create a ripple effect in local economies. When seniors have more disposable income, they tend to spend it in their local communities, supporting small businesses and creating economic growth. Have you thought about how you might use this additional income to support your local community while improving your own quality of life? Now, let's address something that many people overlook: the importance of having a plan for these funds. While $4,800 monthly is a significant amount, it's crucial to have a strategy for making the most of this money. This might include paying off existing debts, investing in health insurance supplements, or creating an emergency fund. What would your financial priorities be with this additional income? Here's an important point about documentation. The IRS has specific requirements for what paperwork you need to have ready. This includes proof of age, income verification, and in some cases, medical expense documentation. But don't let this overwhelm you. I'm going to explain exactly what you need and how to get it. Have you started gathering these important documents? As we wrap up this comprehensive overview of the new IRS stimulus increase, let's focus on the immediate actions you need to take. First and foremost, check your bank accounts. If you're already receiving government benefits via direct deposit, you might see some preliminary notifications. Next, ensure your contact information is up to date with both the IRS and Social Security Administration. Have you taken these crucial first steps? Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed about these changes is crucial for maximizing your benefits. That's why I encourage you to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll be the first to know about any updates, changes, or additional benefits related to this stimulus increase. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Take action today to secure your financial future. Finally, let me leave you with this thought: the stimulus increase represents more than just financial assistance. It's an acknowledgement of the contributions seniors have made to our society and a commitment to ensuring their well-being in retirement. Isn't it time you took advantage of every benefit available to you? Check your eligibility, gather your documents, and prepare to take action. Your financial future could depend on it.